What's up, guys? Today we're going to be shanking all the front suspension on my Ranger. I already went ahead and I painted everything, and so it's all ready to be assembled. I'm going to show you guys how I'm shanking the truck and what we're going to do. So this is the old bolt that came with the truck. As you can see, the threads are still on the inside in between the tabs. We want the threads to be on the outside out here. So what you want to do is get a measurement from outside to outside, go to the hardware store, find the right size shank. The shank is going to be the smooth part between the head and the threads. So this right here is the proper size shank for this mount. This is the pivoting mount for the beam. The beam will sway up and down from right here. You want the shank for several reasons. Threads will end up eating the hole after moving and whatnot, and it's actually stronger the longer the shank. The shorter the shank, the more stretch the bolt has, so depending on what you're using it for, there's also that. I'll leave a link in the description below to more info about shanks. For right now, we will start assembling the beam and get this front end back on today, hopefully. Also, we are going to be using Copa Slip. Copa Slip or anti-seize is important so that the shank doesn't get stuck in the hole and you hammer it out. This stuff allows it to just slide out very easily. We use this all the time at work, and so it seems to work well. We'll be using it today. So the next step is to cut down the bolt. I will be using Stover nuts like this. They're actually pretty nice. They pinch the bolt and almost will never come off. We put them on all the race trucks and they seem to hold up pretty good. So we are going to take this, it's exact same height, and we are going to mark where we need to cut the bolt down to. So there you go, it is tight, and now we will mark it with a marker. So there you go, that bolt is shanked, ready to go on. I cut it and then filed down the ends so it's not sharp, and it's the perfect size. So I'll do the same to the other side. Install the beams. So that's this side assembled. I need to go through and torque all this stuff, give it a wipe down, and then move to the other side. This is a quick video. Just wanted to show you guys how I was going to rebuild the front end on it. Peace of mind now that I know that everything's properly shanked and torqued and all new bolts and nuts and everything. So that'll be nice to know when I'm out in Barstow or Johnson Valley, wherever, having fun in the truck. I'm not going to show you the other side because this is just a repeat on the other side. Subscribe, like this video, comment below, and share it with all your friends. Thanks.